This week, 84% pick attitude over technical skill. India, 64% of employers now choose skills over pedigree. Saudi Arabia placed 267,000 through on-the-job tryouts. UK graduate vacancies, the lowest since 2012. 5 stories on what recruiters are watching this week. Mexico's flagship youth program says 7 in 10 found work. The program surveyed 69,025 graduates as they walked out. An independent peer-reviewed study checked what happened next. Only 45.9% held formal employment beyond 6 months. Between a headline and a sustained hire sits a trust gap. Brazil, 84% of firms convert interns based on attitude, not technical skill, but only 32% run continuous programs to see it.
In India, the pedigree filter just broke. 64% of employers now prioritize demonstrated skills. Only 31% still favor the institutional brand tag. Yet 72% of undergraduate curricula miss what industry needs. Fresher hiring intent is up 40% for the coming year. The door is open for anyone who can show, not claim.
Only 31% of Saudi bachelor's graduates are employed within a year. The services sector alone offers 180 jobs for every 100 graduates. The jobs exist, graduates cannot prove they are ready. So HRDF placed 267,000 citizens into private sector jobs in 6 months. That is 74% more than the year before. Tom here, the state pays the stipend while the employer evaluates real work. When the audition is national policy, proof stops being optional. In Germany's most populous state, both sides lose at once. 59,071 young people ended the training year with no apprenticeship. At the same time, 47,928 places stayed empty. Applicants rose 1.1%, employers cut places 12.6%. Across to the UK, graduate vacancies down 24.5% from peak, the lowest since 2012, below even the 2008 recession. When neither side can see the work, both queues grow. Last story, proof it works from 1,800 employers. South Africa's YES program, 12 months of paid, real work. 43,088 previously unemployed youth placed in FY 2025, a record. 185,627 placed since the program began in 2018. Over 12 billion rand in youth salaries injected. 1,800 employers keep paying because watched work converts. This week's verdict? When you see the work, the hire follows. Put a real challenge from your desk on Ewance. Watch them work. Every finisher returns scored and verified. Proof before the first interview.